Let's review the process of how to set up and receive shop supplies. First, we need to set up the shop supplies categories. To do this, open the Shop Supply Purchases drop-down from the Inventory drop-down in the menu. Then, select Supply Categories found here. To create a new category, click the Insert button, found here. This will open a pop-up that prompts you to enter the category name and select a GL account you would like that category to be assigned to. Once finished, click the Confirm button. Repeat this process as many times as you need to create all the categories you need. Once you have all your categories created, you will now be able to receive shop supplies. To get this set up, select Supply Receipts from the Shop Supply Purchases drop-down. First, select the correct store from the Store drop-down found at the top left-hand corner. From there, you can add a supply receipt by clicking the Insert button found at the top right. Once this screen opens, you will need to select a vendor, insert an invoice number, select an invoice date, and add any necessary information in the Notes section. This can be a list of the items for the receipt. Then, on the right side, insert the amount that you would like to charge. If you'd like to finalize the receiver, click the Confirm button at the top right. Otherwise, select the Save Only button. And that's it. Once you have gone through this a few times, you will be a pro.